This 2017 Starcraft Travel Star Expandable 187 terabytes is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Starcraft is 21 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 8, spare tire kit, LP detector, water heater, DVD player, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, smoke detector, air conditioning, and 22 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Starcraft Travel Star Expandable 187 terabytes is 3,650 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.